Hey guys, it's Tommy from Galpin Autosports, and today we're going to show you our recent project, which is a brand new Super Duty, an F-250 that we're doing the entire Carli treatment on. We're going to be installing the Carli backcountry kit, and we're going to be doing some wheels and tires, and I can't wait to have it done. Check out the progress and follow along on the build. So here it is, our 2022 F-250 decked out with the Carli 5.5 backcountry kit with all the options. That means that this truck got an upper and lower steering stabilizer. It got the torsion sway bar, which helps when you go inside driveways and when you're driving down the road. This truck's going to be much more compliant and not bounce you around as much as a regular Super Duty does. It got protection up front in the form of a front differential skid plate. So if you, again, hit something going off-road, it's not going to damage the differential. Moving on to the sides, these trucks are obviously harder to get into now, especially if you're in pants like mine, slacks, you can't get into it, so we installed amp power steps. So now you can easily get in and out of these trucks from any position in the vehicle. So we got the amp power steps. You can't miss the wheels. So the wheels are a beautiful set of Fuel Rebel wheels. We paired them up with BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tires. Moving on to the back, we did the Deaver leaf springs that comes with the Carli kit to achieve the height in the back. We've also done a Banks exhaust. Lastly, to tie it all together, what's a pickup truck without a tonneau cover? In my opinion, anything that's in your bed that's not covered is susceptible to being stolen. So this tonneau cover gives you a little bit of protection. It's not meant to, again, it's not a safe, people can still get into it, but out of sight, out of mind, as I like to say. So we put a nice backflip tonneau cover on with the satin finish that matches the bed rails. And there you go, the truck's ready to go to hit the road and experience the next adventure. So I'm sure you guys know this by now that trucks and off-road are our thing. So if you guys do have a truck or an SUV or want to get into it, give us a call and we'll set you guys up with the right gear to do the activity that you want to do.